Today's tutorial, how to read data from PDF files in ASP.NET Core. How's it going, everybody? As I mentioned in this tutorial, we're going to learn how to read and extract data from PDF files in an ASP.NET Core application using IronPDF. We'll cover three key features: extracting plain text, reading form data, and parsing table-like content from PDFs. The first thing you want to do is make sure you've installed the IronPDF NuGet package and added your license key and the program.cs file to unlock the full functionality. So let's start with the UI. In index.cshtml under views/PDF folder, we create a simple upload interface with three separate forms. Each form targets a different action. So one for extracting text, one for form data, and then one for table data. Each form includes a file input and a submit button, allowing users to upload PDF and then trigger a specific extraction process. So now let's move to the controller. In PDF controller, we start with the index action to render our upload page. First, we implement the text extraction feature. In the extract text action, we receive the uploaded file as an iForm file. We validate that the file exists, then copy it to the memory stream for processing. Now, using IronPDF, we load the PDF into a PDF document and call extract all text to retrieve all textual content. Finally, we return the extracted text as a response, which can be displayed or processed further. So we're going to go ahead and extract the form data here. In the extract form action, we again load the PDF into the memory. We then check if the PDF contains form fields using the pdf.form property. And if the form fields exist, we loop through each field and store its name and value in a dictionary. And what this does is allows us to easily access and return structured form data from the PDF. All right, so now let's handle the table extraction. In extract table action, we again read the PDF and extract all text. We then split the text into lines and then process each line to identify columns using tab spacing. Each row is converted into a structured format, allowing us to simulate table data from a raw PDF text. Finally, we return the extracted table as a formatted list, making it easier to display or analyze. So let's go ahead and run the application and move to the PDF tab to upload a PDF. And we're going to try each option: text, form, and table extraction. Let's first upload a PDF to simply extract all text. You'll see how easily you can pull all text out at once. Then upload a PDF form tailored to get structured data from the PDF files, and you can easily retrieve the form data with correct values. And finally, we're going to upload a PDF with a table structured file. All the table content is pulled into the table array for future manipulation. And that, my friends, is it. You now know how to read and extract different types of data from PDFs in ASP.NET Core using IronPDF. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tutorials from Iron Software. Don't forget to smash the like button either. And if you want to get started with IronPDF, go ahead and sign up for a trial on the site, continue to download and install the package, and check out the power of our software firsthand. There's a link below in the description. Try it out for yourself.